Hi guys, welcome to Study More, and today we will see about in GEETA series about a boxer ear. What is boxer ear, guys? Boxer ear. Okay, so basically when you know that EAC, right? External auditory canal. External auditory canal. Okay, it is its part is made up of cartilage, right? It has lateral part of which is made up of cartilage and some part which is made up of bone. So the cartilage which is made where it's an avascular structure. It is an avascular structure. Okay, so being it is an avascular structure, it gets an blood's nutrients, takes nutrients from take nutrients from perichondrium. Takes nutrient from perichondrium. So if this perichondrium is if this perichondrium is block, if this is block, okay, if this is block due to injury, okay, so you know that in boxing that injury can easily occurs on the right or left ear, right? So that's why there is an accumulation of blood which we can call as a hematoma. Okay, and this hematoma causes the necrosis. Okay, this hematoma causes a necrosis of this cartilage. Okay, causes a necrosis of this cartilage, and this is this kind of ear, and this necrosis ear is called as boxer's ear. Boxer's ear. Understood, guys? So this is what it is, boxer's ears. Thank you. It is very important, where important clinical vignettes. It can you can get the MCQs in USMLE, next, and FMG. Okay, guys. So keep this in mind. It is an MCQ. It is a high yield MCQ from external ear in ENT. Thank you. Good day. Take care. Do like, share, and subscribe.